To earn from your YouTube channel, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. These days, getting 1,000 subscribers is common, but reaching 4,000 watch hours can take months, if not years. Surprisingly, nearly 90% of channels still fall short of this watch time milestone. But fear not, I have been creating faceless YouTube videos and shorts for 4 years now, and I have created a roadmap that anyone can follow from 0 to 4,000 hours. In fact, this channel is completely fresh and I will be following the exact same roadmap outlined in this video. So if it works for me, it'll definitely work for you. Now let's dissect what 4,000 watch hours really mean. That's 240,000 minutes of watch time. If your videos average 2 minutes per view, you'll need 120,000 views to hit the mark. And if you average 3 minutes per view, you'll need 80,000, and for 4, you'll need 60,000. What this basically means is that the longer view durations you have, the fewer views you need to reach your goal. Yet, achieving even a 2-minute average view duration poses a challenge for 81% of channels. All right, the question is, how do we tackle this? You need to look at this graph very carefully. This is average view duration graph of an average YouTuber. If you focus on the crucial first 30 seconds of your videos, it reveals a significant drop in viewership early on. Yes, almost 50% of the viewers will leave your video in the first 30 seconds. By captivating viewers from the start, we increase the likelihood of retaining them till the end. So that means that crafting a compelling intro is key. While there's no one-size-fits-all format, I follow a 3-step framework. Address the viewer's goal, for instance, ready to transform your body and feel amazing. It's time to take control. Evoke emotions like fear. Don't let excess weight hold you back any longer. Think about the toll it's taking on your health and confidence. And then, offer a solution to pique curiosity, for instance. But don't worry, I've got a game-changing strategy that'll have you shedding pounds and feeling unstoppable. Stay tuned to uncover the key to your new, healthier self. Big creators like Ali Abdaal and Iman Gadzhi utilize similar strategies. It's about addressing viewers' needs, identifying problems, and presenting solutions. Now let me show you my own intro. You'll see exactly how these 3 steps are used and why you have been hooked to this video till now. To earn from your YouTube channel, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. These days, getting 1,000 subscribers is common, but reaching 4,000 watch hours can take months, if not years. Surprisingly, nearly 90% of channels still fall short of this watch time milestone. But fear not, I have been creating faceless YouTube videos and shorts for 4 years now, and I have created a roadmap that anyone can follow from 0 to 4,000 hours. In fact, this channel is completely fresh and I will be following the exact same roadmap outlined in this video. So if it works for me, it'll definitely work for you. All you need to do is to memorize these lines: goal, problem, solutions, goal, problem, solutions, goal, problem, solutions. If this is done correctly, like I just explained, there is no possible way your video will not go viral. Another tactic is setting up an end reward. Not every niche requires intricate intros. Cooking videos can hook viewers with appetizing shots of the final dish, while vlogs can showcase captivating scenes up front, highlight an exciting segment early on, then deliver it at the video's conclusion. This keeps viewers engaged and less likely to leave mid-video. Storytelling is a skill that takes years to perfect. For instance, let's take a look at this video of Mr. Beast. He's able to hook the audience around an end reward, which is the 100 million yacht. This video contains 6 segments, but he creates the hype around the yacht so much that the whole intro, thumbnail, and several parts throughout the video are a hype up to the yacht. This way your user will want to see your videos till the very end, and even the boring parts will not make the user quit. Look, you need to remember that even with a 5-minute average view duration, you'll still need 50,000 views to hit 4,000 watch hours. That's where niche down comes in. By narrowing your focus, you establish authority, foster engagement, and increase overall watch time. Find a niche that you love, like education, then niche down. Let's say decide to make an education channel, then you niche down even more and decide to only make quiz videos. Then you decide that you'll make only geography quizzes. That way, people who want to test their brain will always want to come back to your videos. The last and the most important tip I would like to give you is to always analyze your analytics. Look at the average view duration and see where and why people have left the videos. Look at the CTR, the view source, because all of these can give you extremely vital information. For instance, if your CTR is low, there can only be 2 reasons behind it. Number 1, your thumbnail is not the best, or your title is not making people click. Change and tweak these according to the analytics. I will shortly make another video about how to analyze the videos properly. So if you want to see that, please subscribe. All the video and vector assets are from vecteezy.com. Link will be shared in the description.